I'm standing underneath a Magnolia rostrata, which would normally flower in June, but it's doing so today. And look what an amazing flower we've got here. The outer tepals, or the outer petals, are pinkish and the inner tepals are white. Individual solitary flowers, and just look at the size of these leaves. I'm putting my hand here as a comparison, but you can see that they're wonderfully veined, these leaves, with light brown indumentum on the underneath of the leaves, which will get more and more pronounced as the year goes on. And when we look up into the tree, it's got a very distinct trunk, a very upright habit. This tree is probably about 30 or 40, 35 feet in height, more or less. Not a huge number of flowers, and the flowers don't last for a very great length of time. This species was introduced in 1917 by George Forrest, and undoubtedly was first planted here in the early 1920s. The original tree died about 30 years ago from old age, and this tree is one of its seedlings, which grow rather easily if a tree decides to set seed, which it probably will do this year because it's been so wet, but it didn't really do last year because it was so dry. A relatively unknown species of Magnolia, very beautiful in its day, extraordinarily large leaves, and readily available from Burncoose nurseries as seedlings, as I saw in the nursery only this week.